Big setback could be coming soon for former FBI Director James Comey. A federal judge now ordering the FBI to turn over all documents related to James Comey's memos detailing conversations he had with the president. Those documents, the judge said, you got to turn them over by next week. The judge now considering revealing them to the public. The documents could show Jim Comey's behind-the-scenes push to bring down Trump. A reminder, Jim Comey's memos documented his Oval Office meeting with President Trump, during which the president allegedly asked Jim Comey to drop the FBI investigation into Michael Flynn. Joining me now, Judicial Watch attorney Michael Bekesha. Good to see you, Michael.
Thanks for having me.
Do you think we'll see these documents?
You know, we're one step closer than we were yesterday. You know, what happened was the government is saying these memos can't be released to the public. The public can't see them because there's secret information in there that, if it's revealed, would harm Mueller's investigation. And what we said on behalf of the Daily Caller News Foundation is Director Comey testified about what was in the memos. He probably quoted from them. So instead of taking the government's word for it, Judge, why don't you look at the memos, compare the memos to the testimony, and see if there's anything still secret? Yeah. And my guess is there won't be.
Because Jim Comey confessed in testimony that shortly after he was fired, he authorized a close friend, a Columbia University professor, to leak the contents of his memos to the press in order to get a special counsel investigation, that being the appointment of Robert Mueller. And, you know, Jim Kallstrom, he's a former FBI assistant director. He worked in New York City. He was on our show last night. He's saying what is happening at the FBI breaks his heart. Let's roll tape.
In 2011, Obama changed the rules and made it a heck of a lot easier for the intelligence community and others to be looking at this information. And I think what we've got here is they've just gone wild. And this is really a sad day. It harms my heart. You know, I spent most of my life in the FBI and the Marine Corps, you know, defending this country. And to see the cabal that has been put together, you know, the fifth column that was joined by the FBI and joined by DOJ, and to also to an extent the agency and others in the intelligence community. I mean, this is a sad, sad day.
You could hear Jim Kallstrom's voice breaking there, sir. What's your reaction to Jim Kallstrom, what he said?
You know, he's absolutely right. Director Comey was investigating Hillary Clinton for having classified information in places it wasn't supposed to be. And now that we learned that Director Comey was turning over classified information to a law school friend or a law professor friend of his. So he was doing what he was supposed to be investigating Hillary Clinton for. Yeah, so it really is no surprise.
Let's stay on that. Yeah, I don't want to cut you off because we are running around out of time. So sorry, sir. But to your point that there's no surprise, because look at this. Your organization is finding 18 more classified emails from Uma Abedin, former Clinton aide, on Anthony Weiner's laptop. It involves some of these classified emails, sir, so far deal with Saudi Arabia, the war in Syria, Hamas, Israel, and more, right? What's your reaction?
Oh, absolutely. And another instance of classified information was a CIA agent's name. You know, it's unbelievable that this information was on Anthony Weiner's laptop. We know what he was using that laptop for. We know why the FBI was interested in his laptop. And we had top secret classified information on there that should not have been on there, and nobody seems to care.
Michael Bekesha, thank you for coming on. We want you to come back on again. You did a great job here, sir. Good to see you.
Thank you.